Hi, I'm Forrest Heipel. Recently I rescued two wild stray dogs, this one and her sister. Every day, wild stray dogs get picked up off the street and are put to sleep for eternity. I can't take care of these two wild stray dogs because I already have a dog, Puma. This is why I'm making this video. I need someone to adopt these beautiful pups. Please call if you're interested in adopting these puppies. Thank you.